Welcome to ProTech. Today we'll be sharing a video on one of the main features of a tune-up, the spark plug change. Here's a quick overview of a spark plug change on a 1998 BMW 323is.
So today we're going to be working on my 1998 323is. We're going to be changing the spark plugs on it. It's a common wear item on these cars that can lead to misfires as well as lowered fuel economy, hard starts, and a plethora of other things. So let's go. So once your car starts having issues with misfiring, a common replacement item is a spark plug. It's the cheapest out of all of the ignition system. They can range from $2 to $10 or more. It just depends on the material you'd like it out of, as well as the design. So as far as the ignition system goes, coil packs are pretty expensive. If you have a scan tool, it's always good to put it on the car. You have a diagnostic port right here on BMWs, and you can use it to tell you which cylinder is misfiring, and that can tell you whether, if you want to test out your coil packs, you can swap each one around to see if it's bad and to see if the misfire moves from cylinder to cylinder. If it doesn't, then you could most likely assume it's going to be a spark plug that's bad. And then you just pull each connector out. And after that, we're going to start removing each coil pack and then getting to the spark plug. So the ECU will tell each one of these coil packs to fire whenever it's necessary, and after that the signal will travel all the way down and then into the spark plug. And it's always good to look inside to see if these are torn or if there's any oil in there, because it can hinder the signal. This is our spark plug, and you can see this is the fuel mixture on it, but it's not wet. It doesn't have oil on it. And after that, you'll insert into the hole, and you just want to hand tighten it first to make sure you don't cross thread anything. And that's all the way. And when you're here, they don't need to be crazy tight, about a quarter turn. That's it. So the check engine light is gone. It's time to go for a drive to make sure that there's no hesitation or poor acceleration, and to also make sure the ECU is clear of codes and has adapted to the new plugs to make sure that there's no more misfiring. That's really about it. It's not too hard, and you're good for another 75,000 to 100,000 miles with no issues.